usually we're gonna start to ask and really figure out what their barriers are and where that lack of motivation is coming from. So we may address things like, okay, if they say they don't have time, why don't they have time? Let's look at a time management plan. We also might look at if they haven't found an exercise or activity they enjoy, what are some options for them? So usually really the first step is let's talk about the barriers of why it's not happening. So if an individual is having a hard time going to a fitness center because maybe they're shy and they don't feel comfortable there, I think the first step I would take would be to not even put them in that setting and to possibly put them in a setting that they do feel comfortable in. So whether that be their home, maybe just they go somewhere outside, but there are lots of online coaching options now. There are apps that you can use that give you recommendations for workouts to do on your own. There are thousands of YouTube videos and other ways that you can have professional, experienced instructors telling you exactly what to do. So to set realistic goals, there's actually goal setting principles. We have a principle called the SMART goals principle, and it helps you take a goal and list it out so it's specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-based. So that really helps, especially if you're talking to a professional. That's a great way to kind of list out your goal and make sure that you're really looking at it to ensure it's going to be something you can do. Even if you don't know that principle or not working with somebody who does, my biggest suggestion would be to taking a big goal that you think you might be able to achieve in 2 months and just start breaking it down to smaller goals that you might be able to do on a weekly basis. Accountability can be important when getting through an exercise program because it actually allows you to check in with someone. So you can use accountability with really anyone. You could do it with a friend. We even have this thing we do in behavior change called an exercise contract, and you write out those goals and you write out your plan and you sign it, and then your accountability partner signs it and they hold you accountable to that goal and to that plan. It does really help with motivation, checking in with someone. You don't want to disappoint them, so you're a little bit more motivated to keep it going.